Hey. So, it's getting too hot out here. It's hot. It's May, and it's like 80 degrees. I wonder what it's gonna be like in like July when it's like so hot out. I'm tired, and I feel disgusting. Like, have you ever felt so hot that you felt disgusting? 'Cause that's me right now. So, I've been stretching and yawning and tired all day. Ugh. But, yeah. Today's nothing, pretty much. Nothing to do. Just sitting here being bored. This is gonna be a very short vlog. Sorry about that. But, anyway, tomorrow, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But in the next couple vlogs, the next vlogs, I'm probably not gonna do anything that special. And then the next two vlogs is, there's the volleyball final, which, Sally's and Charter will be playing and whatnot. And then the All-Star game. All-Star game is my last time playing volleyball, pretty much, for a school. It's where all the seniors of every single school get together and play together, pretty much. So that should be fun. But yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen the next couple vlogs. I'm gonna hit the hay, and I will see you tomorrow. Till next time, Jerry St. Pierre, Breaking 365, signing out. Peace.
Me and the boys, we gonna keep on rocking.